Hello everybody, and thank you for coming to another nature story time. Our story today is all about getting outside in winter even when it's cold outside. So we're finally starting to see some really cold temps in our forecast. Hopefully, well, at least I'm hoping that it also brings some snow with it, because all of my favorite activities to do during the winter require some snow. So I'm really anxious to get some snow. Our story today is called Where Are the Minnesotans? Though I feel like this could also apply to people living in Wisconsin. And it was written by Karlyn Coleman and illustrated by Carrie Hartman. So let's see what people are doing during the winter time. Where are all the Minnesotans? Is it too cold to go outside? No! Snow pants, a jacket, a pair of warm boots, wool mittens on your hands, and a hat pulled over your ears, a scarf covering your nose, and off you go. Where are all the Minnesotans? Is it too cold to go fishing? Have any of you ever gone fishing in winter before? No! It's nice and snug in a little fishing house. Auger a hole, tie on an orange bobber, drop a line, and wait for a walleye to bite. Where are all the Minnesotans? Is it too cold to skate? No! It's a perfect day for a pond hockey game. Shovel off a rink, tie on some skates, and race back and forth across smooth, shiny ice, passing the puck until a goal is scored. Hard to turn pages, but what's up? Where are all the Minnesotans? Is it too cold for a parade? No! Here comes King Boreas leading the way. Music and laughter melt the ice off the streets, and winter carnival makes a chilly city feel warm. Where are all the Minnesotans? Is it too cold to fly a kite? No. A frozen lake is the perfect place. No trees, no wires, just wide open space and a strong north wind to push bright colored kites up and up toward the clouds, ready to burst with snow. Where are all the Minnesotans? Does the early setting sun keep everyone from going out? No! Candles flicker and glow along ski trails, and the moon and stars shine down from above. Everything so clear and bright on a beautiful winter night. Winter night hikes or skis or snowshoes are my absolute favorite. Where are all the Minnesotans? Is the snow too deep? No! Grab a shovel, hook up the plow, and when a patch is clear, gather up friends and sled down white, covered hills. Where are all the Minnesotans? The temperature has dropped to 30 below. The wind is blowing and all the schools are closed. Now, all the Minnesotans are gathered inside, reading books, baking sweet treats, building roaring fires in the fireplace. And what all these Minnesotans know is that soon the ice and snow will melt away, and when spring comes, no one will have to ask, where are all the Minnesotans? Because everyone will be outside. The end. Pretty short book for us this week, but just a great reminder that there's no such thing as bad weather, right? Only inadequate clothing. So make sure you're bundling up for some fun winter adventures this season. Couple ways you could get outside. We currently have our winter bingo scavenger hunt going on, so you could check out that on our website. 24 things to find in nature. If you get one row on the bingo card, you win a sticker, but there's a chance to win some other prizes as well. I'll also put some resources down below with some ideas of things you could do outside this winter. They mentioned in the book a candlelit ski, and a lot of Minnesota state parks will host candlelit events throughout winter. Here in the Driftless region, the Trempealeau National Wildlife Refuge has one coming up in February, the Luminary Hike. So check out your local state parks, and not just Minnesota, that one's in Wisconsin. So check out local parks near you. They might be offering something like that. And maybe try something new this year. So if you've never been ice fishing, maybe you want to try ice fishing. If you've never tried snowshoeing, maybe you want to try snowshoeing or ice skating. Do some new fun family adventure this year, and we hope to see you again soon for another story time. Bye-bye.